Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode here on European Confessions. The following story that you're going to be listening to, it was sent to me by one of our admin who helped us with this translation. Strange things indeed, they do happen in this world. The message reads like this. Hello, how are you? Can you please post my own story? I am not just any sangoma. People, they do come to me from across South Africa and beyond. I have assisted some families as well that do come from Zim. Most of these people, they do look for secrets that my ancestors can only offer. I can do more than healing. I can open the gates to wealth and power. And as Africans, we are not supposed to be afraid that we have another source that can offer us wealth and power. I am not ashamed to say it. I do make people rich. I give them power. I show them how to take. Yes, some they can say it is stealing. If you say that it is stealing, it is fine. I do teach people how to steal luck from others and make it their own. Today I am going to let you in on the secrets of what is ukutwala. This is not for people that are cowards. It is not for the faint-hearted. It is for the strong and the brave. If you cannot handle this darkness, you need to turn away. This is a path for those who are willing to do what others cannot. I have helped many men and women. They are increasingly doing these rituals as well, so that they can rise to the top. If you want to use ukutwala, you must be prepared for anything. To lose yourself, to lose your wife, to lose your parents, to lose even your son, your daughter. For the spirits that I deal with, they cannot give you something without taking from you. They need offerings, spiritual, physical offerings, and they will claim what is theirs one way or another. That is the truth. Once you are given something that a healer will tell you that it will bring you money, then you need to know that one day you have to pay something in return. But if you are willing to pay, they will give you anything that your heart desire. Indians do it all the times. White people, they do it. Why is it when it comes to us, the black men, we have to be ashamed of our own culture and of our own rituals? Don't the Indians burn incense before they open their supermarkets? Don't they do that? They do it. Don't the white people keep the ashes of their parents after they have been cremated? They do it. But us as black people, anything about us, it is really evil. And channels like yours, they do push that agenda of painting the black man as an evil person. I know that out there are those that are willing to try. Let me give them a hint on the things that they can try. For some of these services that I offer, the poor men cannot be able to pay. That is why the rich keep on getting richer. Wealth is not about hard work. You can never be rich by working hard. Wealth is all about luck. Some people, they are born with natural luck. Some, they are not born with that luck. But luck, when you have it, you can do anything that you want. If you are not born without luck, there is something that you can do. And I am here to teach you how to steal good luck. You need to find someone who already has it. Has any of your subscribers ever noticed that if you are a man, there is this woman, after sleeping with her or just dating her, your life becomes good. Then there is this woman, you know that after you've slept with her, at work, accidents happen, your boss hates you. It is because whenever two humans have sexual intercourse, there is a transfer of power. It's either she gives you good luck or you give her bad luck. That is what happens. So you can also steal the good luck from someone without sleeping with them. That is why you hear most of the blessers, they keep on saying that they sleep with young women, they sleep with young women, because they will be taking some spiritual force from those young women. Even if you are not lucky, all that you need to know is that out there are people that are lucky and they don't even know how lucky they are. But after teaching you, you will know. It could be that woman down the street whose shop is always full, or that man who always seems to have good fortune. These are the people that you target in your community now. Look around. How many people just seem to have good fortune for no reason at all? Those are the people that will become your primary targets. Luck is often attached to personal items, things that hold their very essence, their spirituality and humanity. Hey, as I mentioned, is the most powerful. It holds the person's spiritual energy. It can be used to take their luck. Once you have a strand of any human's hair, you can do whatever you want with him or her. You need to be careful, for this is not a simple game, because you are about to change someone's destiny and you need to follow my instructions to the letter. Take their hair back home, but do not rush, for ukutwala requires patience. It might not be done in a week. It might even take a year, whilst you are transferring the luck from the person back to you. Always make sure that in your home you set an altar. Set an altar in your home where you will be doing these rituals. Buy a black candle, some ashes from burnt offerings, chicken feathers, they are the ones that work the best. Slaughter your chicken, dry the feathers. When they are completely dry, burn them at night if you are not scared, around 12 a.m. But if you are scared, once the sun has gone down, when it is dark, burn them. Burn them on the altar using the candle. As the candle will be burning, hold the hair in the flame. Then you start to call out the name of that person over and over. Words, they have power. Speak the words that can change your life. Say, I am here taking your success, your fortune. Let it come to you, to me, from you. Let it flow from you like a river coming into my life. This must not be just an imagination. You have to think of it. Bind yourself to that person. Take their luck. Take their good luck and make it yours. Do this for 7 nights without failing. On the 7th night, blow out the candle and scatter the ashes at a crossroad, sealing the ritual. You will begin to feel their luck as it will settle into your life, changing the course of your destiny. If you have a spaza shop, my fellow South Africans, if you want your business to thrive, do you know that there is this thing that is very powerful that the Indians use? Indian hair is a secret weapon. A few know about it. I have helped struggling shop owners transform their businesses, all because of that trick. Indian hair is spiritually charged because they are always performing rituals in their religion and tradition. So it is because of that. If you can get Indian hair, you will be borrowing from that power, since already from childhood they do a lot of rituals. Get some Indian hair. It is best if you get it unprocessed. Do not go and buy. You need real Indian hair straight from the source. You do not need to get it as a weave. Focus on the entrance of the corners of your shop. That is where you just place the hair into those spots. You will be creating, a spider. A spider, it creates a web and it catches its prey. You will be creating a web an invisible one that will catch and hold your customers. Have you ever noticed that if you are walking in town, when you are just walking around Indian shops, you can get past an Indian shop, then you come back, you get into that shop, you start to walk around and round and round, you end up buying something that you do not even know why you bought that thing. It is because of the rituals that they use. You need to get that here if you can do it. Take a bowl, fill it with water from the ocean. Fresh water is not going to help you. You need to find the Chinese shops that sell water from the sea. You have to use that water that is from the ocean. For fresh water, the water that you drink, it lacks the life force of the ocean spirits, what they call the marine spirits. Take this water, mix it with chicken blood, burn a few herbs like sage, or you can ask for a herb that is called rosemary. Place the Indian hair into this mixture, then dip your fingers into the bowl, then play with the water and sprinkle the water onto the walls from the inside of your shop and outside. This will bind the energy of the hair to your business, calling in customers and locking their attention to your goods. Within days, you will see the effect. People will be drawn to your shop without understanding why. They will spend more and more. They will be always at your shop, and your spaza shop will be very successful. Attracting wealthy men using white women's hair. If you are those women that survive on having boyfriends that give you money, if you want to go up the ladder, to move to the next stage, what you need is that white women's hair. It is a very powerful tool. Wealthy men are often drawn to some things that they call exotic, something that is very different from what we know. Black men, even if they do not want to admit it, they are attracted to white women. That is why our black women try to imitate the white women. You see them having this long hair that looks like they are of a white woman. It is because they know, subconsciously they know that black men are attracted to women with very long, smooth hair. And guess which women have the type of smooth, silky hair? Your white women, they do have it. So if you can get a white woman's hair, the key to the ritual is the timing and the intention. You need to cleanse the hair by soaking it in a bowl of milk overnight. For milk, don't you know that milk, it purifies, softening the energy so that you can use it for that purpose. The next day, you need to rinse it in honey water. This adds a sweetness and it can make any man to come to you like a bee. Take the strand of a hair and place it inside a charm that is made out of red silk. You need to buy a small garment. The material must be red silk. The color must be red, symbolizing love, silk, wealth, and royalty. Wear this charm close to your body. When you are at a party in a space where there will be wealthy men, casinos, upscale restaurants, private clubs, you might be a girl from the location. Make sure that you go and just eat out at those expensive restaurants. Once in a while, go to a private club. One day is one day. You are going to get that man that you want. You will find that man that is going to pull you out of the location. And if you want more powers, you need to know that you have to keep on using these rituals. There are so many rituals that I can teach your subscribers if they want me to keep on teaching them. Dear listeners, right there was a message that was sent to me by one of our sister who gave us this translation. Strange things indeed they do happen in this world. Yo.